Hi, my name is Spencer Brown. This is my introduction video for ADL 851, Supervision and Evaluation. I thought I'd start with a personal introduction. So this is me and my family. My son Benaiah will be 4 in August, and my daughter Abigail just turned 2 in February. And that's my wife Amanda. She stays home with the kiddos. There on the left is our new pup. He's a Wheaton Terrier. We actually just got him on Saturday. In terms of my professional introduction, I started out teaching high school math at a small school in southeastern Kansas. I was also a football and track head coach there. I coached basketball a little bit in my time there as well, but football and track is what I was a head coach in at the end. My current education career, for the last 3 years now, I've been a state Kansas MTSS trainer with a math emphasis. And so what that means is I work for a federal grant in which we go around to schools that request assistance, and we help them really with systems level work as well as their intervention work and MTSS work. My desire to become an administrator stems from a few different things. One, just the students. I will say one thing about my job is I don't see students as often, and that is harder. I do miss the kids. I think we all get into teaching because we love kids. But also, as an administrator, I would really be driven by student success. And so, in order to do that, I think the second bullet I have here is really important, which is really encapsulated by the program standard, vision and goals, and the component to data analyses. I would want to lead with evidence. So I think it's really critical that what we do as a school and what you practice is evidence-based, and we're collecting evidence continually to make sure that it is effective in our setting as well. One of those pieces would be trying to create a culture of high collective efficacy. So I'm a big fan of John Hattie's meta-analyses, and as you know, collective efficacy is the highest effect size right now, and so helping create a culture of collective efficacy within a building would be really important to me, and I think that that's something that could be, well, research would show that's something that could be extremely effective for student success. And then the last bullet there, I have a real passion for fostering high expectations for students. If you've ever done any research in that area, it's probably some of the most depressing research you could do. But understanding the importance of having high expectations for kids and what that looks like in terms of goal setting and flexible grouping and a few other facets, it's a critical component to a solid classroom and a school culture altogether. In the past, I haven't had a ton of supervision experience. I said it's fairly minimal. Obviously, being a head coach comes with some supervision responsibilities. Most of those are over your teams and students. However, as a head coach, you obviously are also responsible for your assistant coaches and helping them grow in their professional career and aspirations as a coach as well. It's really critical. In my time as a Kansas MTSS trainer, I obviously have oversight over districts and will lead districts through that MTSS process, which typically is around a 3-year process. We call them 3 phases because sometimes each phase goes a little longer or shorter than a year. I also am OVT chair as well as a member on several districts, but I'm an OVT chair, for accreditation for one particular district, which obviously comes with some supervision responsibilities as well. Other than that, I've just been a lead on several internal committees within our Kansas MTSS team. Experience as being evaluated also was fairly minimal. The evaluation process as a teacher, although it seemed fairly extensive, I don't know that I felt like I was really critically evaluated. It was more, a lot of it was self-evaluation and talking through where I thought I could improve. It was fairly limited on feedback, which was a little disappointing for me when I really do desire constructive criticism. I think that it's important to know where my weak areas are in someone else's eyes, because I think we all clearly have blind spots. And so having someone help identify those blind spots to further my professional career is something I really value. So I really do value constructive criticism, and any chance I've had to really be evaluated, I've really taken to heart. And finally, I'd just like to say I'm really looking forward to this class. I look forward to seeing some ways that you can approach evaluation and supervision in ways that seem fairly non-threatening, but really truly a way of professional growth and reflection. And it's not something that I've necessarily done a lot of reading on in the past. So I really look forward to all the learning that I'll gain in this class and through you all as my classmates. Thanks.